But actually, I remember, I think it was for us only, it was the first time that they announced JEE mains will be happening 2 times. And our,
Frankly,
yeah, and our
actually,
coaching institutes.
our batch is trial species for most of
That
So let's get going to the second topic. So the second topic of our conversation is going to be, what do you think about the entrance exams in India? So for example, all Indian entrance exams are JEE mains and JEE advanced. And in Maharashtra we have CET, and in other states we have some other exams. For any other college we have some exams. So what do you think about those exams? Are they too tough, or do the students have to work too hard for them? Do you think the pattern is fair for all the students to study? And what is the environment like for the students in preparation of those exams?
First of all, there are 14 to 15 lakh people giving JEE exam. So the
Our
pattern has to be.
ये 1.25 करोड़ का हिंदुस्तान, 1.25 करोड़ देशवासी, यही हमारा परिवार है.
The pattern has to be tough, and the government, I mean the organizers have to filter the talent, hard work, and the determination towards their goal. So they have to filter a lot of things. So I think pattern should be hard, and it is really good. I think the exam is really good.
Thank you.
Yeah, Shashank said JEE Advanced is one of the hardest examination in all over India. Toughest examination.
You can say in the world as well.
Yeah, actually.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
So and see, there is logic behind this also. See, the IITs, you see those IITs like IIT Guwahati, IIT Bombay, those campuses are like lit man.
Dream campuses.
Those, yeah, and to get into that, you have to work hard. See our campus, like this small,
Our campus is nothing as compared
4 to 5 acre. So we gave the CET examination, which is a shit. That examination is literally a shit. It is not that much hard compared to.
Yeah, actually it is very easy.
Very easy. So, and we got this fruit. So I think advance deserves difficulty.
Yeah, right.
Actually, even I agree with what Ajinkya and Shashank said. And yes, the amount of students giving this exam is very high. Like 1 million students apply for this exam and like appear for this exam. So in order to separate these people and to make sure that the colleges get the cream layer of student, there has to be certain level of difficulty. And I guess JEE Advanced, JEE Mains have set a proper benchmark for this. Coming to state level examination, I literally don't find any relation of the pattern of the examination or the strata they put and engineering. It's just like give this exam, then we'll see what happens.
Yeah. And actually, the thing is, I think I don't know the exact number, but 1.5 million or some amount of people like that apply for exams, and just 11,000 or like 11 to 12,000 students have to get selected. So it is like 0.07 something percent students get selected. So the mentality, you can imagine the mentality of the students, and even us, we all faced it, right? That we were not even sure that we can get selected in it or no, but we just have a goal in mind that we have to do it and we will do it. We didn't have anything else in our mind that what will happen if we don't get selected, then we have to face it, right? We don't imagine it, what will happen if we don't face it. So, and coming to this thing, actually I had one more thing in my mind. So regarding the fairness and all, so do you think, like, because there are many students who, like, they have different abilities, some students, I was talking about fairness because suppose you are going to give JEE Advanced and you have problems of anxiety or something like that, and on the day itself you fell ill or you just got stressed and you were not able to solve the questions, then you will not be able to you will not be at your best and give the exam perfectly as you can do in your normal state. So what do you think about that?
So Aditya, see, there is one thing behind this. All these India like Allen, etc.
Yeah, in Kota. He's talking about institutes in Kota.
Yeah, they prepare their students very well. Like they take almost 100 to 200 question papers prior to the examination.
Yeah, I
So,
was in Kota, so I know. Sumit also was.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
आते हैं ना कोटा 9th में पोकेमोन 10th में पबजी 11th में कोटा
So, if the student has anxiety also, then he will perform good in those examinations like JEE Advanced. And if by chance something happens to him, like his leg gets broke, like hand or something, then
Some
we
serious
have one more chance for JEE Advanced. So he can appear in next year and get into this
Yeah, actually, this
institution.
was the reason behind them I think JEE Mains was 2 times before, and now it has gone 4 times or something like that. I think that's why
Yeah,
they
yeah.
did that. So that
Yeah, but this 4 time is not good actually.
yeah, that is so much. Like, people will not be serious and attempting this test now.
Yeah, and question will also be get repeated. Like in our batch also, like 16 from first paper, like question got repeated. So
Yeah.
there is no sense in giving those
And I think
exams.
our pattern was the first time when exams started being online. Like, first we had an option for attempting online or offline, but from us only, I think it started that we have to give it online compulsorily. That is a test. That
Yeah.
is a great test, actually.
Actually, I think whether they conducted 4 times or 2 times, but the main thing is that should not be commercialized. Because I remember when the exams happened to be twice in an year, coaching center started making crash course, and actually this pressurizes parents as well as students. So I think this thing should not happen. Even if it happens 4 times or 3 times, that's a good thing, because if the exam happens only once a year, then there is a chance of having a good day or a bad day that particular day. But it happens 4 times or 2 times, then you get the average of that candidate, like what is actual caliber of that candidate. So that gives a fair chance to all people. Like ऐसा नहीं होता कि बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं यार उस दिन मेरी तबीयत खराब थी, नहीं तो मैं तो बहुत अच्छा कर पाता, वैसा कुछ नहीं होता. तो अगर आप 3-4 बार एग्जाम देते हो तो आपको पता चल जाता है कि यार 4 बार में इस
मेरा
लेवल
कुछ
तक ही
नहीं
जा
हो सकता.
सकते हो.
Same happened to us also.
Right. But actually, I remember, I think it was for us only, it was the first time that they announced JEE Mains will be happening 2 times. And
Frankly,
yeah, our
actually,
coaching institutes,
our batch is trial species for most of
Yeah,
the
yeah.
government, I would say.
we are like the rat in the
Right.
laboratory, who were the first times who were going to, like, vaccinations on rats first, afterwards on human beings.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah.
Because I remember in our coaching institutions, they planned to end the syllabus in April, and now the exam has been preponed to January. Now they all are rushing in the syllabus. They are all taking extra classes, more workload on students, and first only we were not able to complete the so-called homework in the lectures or the 11th and 12th coaching classes. So it was a lot of stressful situation for the students. Recording केली झालं मी full
एक
screen.
सेकंड थांबा, एक सेकंड.
बोल. माझा हात गेलाय फक्त फेविक्विकने, अजून काही नाही झालं मला.
ते ना वापरता आलं पाहिजे, मग काही नाही.
ते म्हणून लिहिलेलं असतं त्याच्यावर लहान लेकरांपासून दूर ठेवा.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.